Hey guys, it's Meeee, your HappyB, and today I wanted to show you guys 3 of the different ways that I like to do my gradient lip. But the thing about it is gradient lips in certain kinds of makeup are seen as very soft and fragile and just so pure and innocent. And through these 3 looks, I wanted to show you guys how soft can be both bold and fierce at the same time, kind of like how my sexy gradient lip is looking right now. If you guys are interested in this, please wait till the end of the video. This is the last look that I'm going to pull. Gradient lips can actually be a little bit hard to do, you know. I don't know about you guys, but with how stubborn my lips are and how resistant they are to just tints, it's really hard for me to get that nice gradient look. So if you guys... Okay, so for the first gradient lip, we're doing a 1 product, super easy gradient lip. And this one I'm gonna call the typical K-drama protagonist lip gradient. And for this look, you really can just use 1 product, particularly the lip tint. And this one is a super basic, like cheap Korean lip tint that I got from the Faceshop. No, it's not from the Faceshop. It's from Nature Republic. And I've had this for like years, y'all. But it's super good. And it's just this really nice cherry red color. But if you're like me and, you know, the corners or the edges of your lips are a little bit darker than the rest, then you can blend it out with a cushion. This is totally an extra step. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. And I just close my mouth like this, super tight. Then dab your foundation. So now that we've sort of blurred out the edges of our lips, what we're gonna do is change the general color of our lips with a lip tint. And the way I'm gonna do this is I'm just gonna dab around, use a tissue or whatever, spread it out. And if you're like me and your lips can be a little stubborn about lip tints, you can put it again, but every time you put it, you have to make sure that you wait a little bit. You want it to set a little bit before rubbing it in. And right now, as you can see, it's a little uneven, actually super uneven, lol. The bottom part catches the color more, and the top part is a little more stubborn. So depending on your lips, you can add more. And then to get that gradient lip, we have to add more of the same color. So what I'm going to be using is the tip of the wand to get that more precise application. You can color it out in the fuller areas. And then we wait. You can start off doing like this, just so you don't over blur things. And then that's when you go in. This time, sort of just concentrating on this part. Then at this point, you could add lip gloss or whatever you like, but for me, this is like, this is good already. Okay, so for our next gradient lip, I just like tried to remove the lip tint as best I could with some oil cleanser, and guess what? It's the first time I did it, and now my lips are so moisturized. Check it out. This time around, we're gonna do another gradient lip, and this one is a little more different, and I'm gonna call it the glossy orange, maybe slightly more editorial looking gradient lip. And for this look, we're gonna use 2 products. One will be a velvet lipstick and another will be a glossy lipstick. Okay guys, so this is the lipstick method, and for the lipstick method, I highly recommend this for people with like really pigmented lips, and it's really hard for them to get the lip tint to really, you know, to show its true colors. So I have 2 lipsticks over here, very far from the color of my lips. The first one is this velvet one in the color Solar Beige by the Faceshop, and girl, I love this color. And I'm gonna use this as a way to cover up my entire lip. Okay, so my camera died, but it's all good now. And I was gonna put this color, but then I decided I wanted to use this for today. I wanted a stronger color. So this one is the glossy lipstick by the Faceshop in Gem Coral. And I'm gonna put this in the inner parts of my lip. It's our last gradient lip and the sun is starting to set, so I think it's a perfect time for a plum and dark gradient lip. This look is a look that I've worn before in my previous videos, but it's actually something that I did to cover up a mistake, and I'll talk to you about that later. But this one is called the Sexy Burgundy. Did you eat a really pigmented eggplant lip gradient? So I think you guys know the drill by now. First of all, we're gonna put an overall lip color, and this one is the Lip and Cheek Stain, but choked on a particle of french fry. Lip Stain by Genie in the color Burgundy Wine. It's a really dark color, as you can see. It's kind of awkward for me, like on my bare lips, and it can be a little patchy, or a lot of patchy, so I have to blend it as I go. It's kind of hard with the roller applicator, but support local, y'all, says the channel who's primarily using Korean makeup. So this is how it looks like for me right now, but what I want is a really nice deep red purpley color. So I'm gonna use this Banila Co 2 Kisses Dual Lip Tint, and it has an emulsion side, so this is the side I'm gonna use first, and I'm gonna layer it very thinly on top and spread just the same. I don't really touch the edges because I want it to fade out. So my camera dad again, just classic babe planning, you know, planning ahead, not just randomly wanting to film a video. So I ended with the emulsion, but now we're gonna go on to the gel part of the dual tint, and this gel part is really what's gonna make this gradient lip pop. And yeah, boom boom pow. And that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like. And if you want to see more from my channel, please give it a subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.